What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the brand new Emax Tinyhawk Freestyle, aka the Stormtrooper. And I was just out here about to have a fix. What's up, bro? How y'all? Okay now? Yeah. Yeah, I've been out here. So I was just about to have a fix, and then I thought this is the perfect time for me to show you guys some 1S flight with this. So I have my 2-packs out here. I was going to fly normally, but I want to show you guys this. Very easy to make one of these little plugs here. You just take one of these with the wire and you just twist the wires together and then solder them together. You just have to close that or bridge that connection there and plug that into one end. I also have this iFlight battery strap here. It's a little longer and it allows me to go around the bottom of it because I want to bottom mount this battery here. So I'm going to slide that under here. I think I'm going to eventually mod this thing to take a strap on the bottom. So, but in the meanwhile, this is the way I do it. So you just strap it on there like that. You got the pack in here, pretty tight. Check it out. So we're going to take it across the bottom here, plug it in. I can get it plugged in. I think I gotta switch sockets here. They're all sitting there pretty good. So let's just go with this. There you have it. Man, it's a pain getting these little plugs in the socket there too. Let's try a punch out. A lot more docile. Still can do power loops and all of that stuff though. Still plenty fast for a beginner. Check out how quiet this thing is. Not much noise from the wind here, and you still could barely hear this thing. We are in acro mode. You can see how much flight time we have with it. Really awesome machine here. Some power loops. Bring it back. I got it on angle mode now, and check it out. Still pretty level. A little drift, slight drift on it. Do some speed passes. Still pretty fast. Bring it back front and center. This is the stock yaw rig. Let's do a little bit of proximity right here. Oh! Man, it's really messy right here. I don't know what the heck they're doing over here. You can make it around the tree. Let's see if it's getting weak. Let's do a punch out. Still pretty slow. Feels like it might be getting a little weak. Yeah, it's getting a little weak. Let's see. That's a full throttle punch out right there. Dragonfly tried to go after it. I think I'm going to stop it now. I don't want it to kill the battery or anything. It's probably not though. Yeah, that's full throttle, so it's going down now. And we flew it until it dropped. So that's all the flight time we get. Seems like it was a pretty decent flight time. Maybe about 3 minutes, 4 minutes maybe. Anyhow, it's the Emax Tinyhawk Freestyle, aka the Stormtrooper. Thanks for watching.